Morgan Eco Yachts. There are many green yachts on the market, many mega yachts in the multi-million dollars. This green one is the only one, I believe, which is similar to mine, but it's an Explorer yacht and I believe is $30 million. My system will be efficient in every way. To insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. One of the things I don't understand is I guess they assume that because the yacht will be only operated in the Caribbean, you can put the yachts on the top, the solar panels on the top of the yacht. But as the sun comes up, you will not be getting peak efficiency. That is why my design gets the peak efficiency. Is new really better? Wood, steel, and aluminum have been used for many years. But as far as I know, no one is using recycled polymer. Now, this may not be the most efficient, so we will also be building with other existing products. We will also be using a recycled foam panels. Silent yachts versus Morgan Eco Yacht. Yes, they've been doing it for many years. I have been canoeing, lifeguarding, rowing, and was a Sea Scout. I went to school as an engineer and physicist, and I'm an autist with a photographic memory. I'm constantly learning new systems and technologies. We will start by using used shipping containers. But to be truly safe, I would purchase at least 3 or 4 shipping containers that are custom built for the use. Paint storage, a place to be safe while doing the epoxy. Why my yacht design is different. First off, from the ground up, I am building this in the first world, not, sorry, in the third world, not the first world. Somebody claims they're the first truly sustainable yacht design, but they're not really doing anything different. And there are many, many companies that are making solar yachts, but they're yacht companies doing solar. 100% of my infrastructure would be from the ground up. So it would be 100% solar and wind, but it would not be on the grid. You may not know there are great Caribbean universities, and I would hire engineers from these Caribbean universities, and I wouldn't be hiring them just because they're black. Now, there are also a lot of lithium ion batteries on the market, and I think it would be important to purchase them all to make sure we have the most efficient battery. Carbon fiber versus fiberglass. What's the difference? Well, carbon fiber is stronger, stiffer, and weighs less, and has less thermal expansion. Here's a photo of the two products I would be using. I would start with a design that is as old as I've been alive, but I would push it to its limits. I would start by having a aluminum keel that is cased in carbon fiber and Kevlar. So if a customer ran aground, hit driftwood, hit some coral, the Kevlar would take the hit, but then this could then be repaired. There is a metal aluminum keel that would take the hit, and this foam insert. So this boat would float in its core. Again, there are many marine electrical propulsion motors. Torpedo has been refining their system. Deep Sea has just come out with a new 500 watt jet motor. And Ocean Volt is been around, and their capture is probably the most efficient. But Elka has been making electric boat motors for more than 130 years. This is a shot of the deep sea system. I would start with about 65 kilowatts of solar panels. That's about $300,000 to purchase. Where would the batteries come from? Ocean Volt would send you their batteries. Torpedo also has their own system. But Victron is the industry standard. Dakota Batteries also makes a system, and marine batteries, and so does Battleborn. But the industry standard is the PITES system. And because I would be using much more batteries than anyone else, most of the batteries would be these PITES batteries.